there's nothing for it really but to open up Yellow Scout 2 as well, so I can be absolutely sure what the missile trigger really does look like, because looking at Scout 3's, I don't think there's anything snapped off. It looks like it's a complete trigger, but it looks completely different to Scout 1's, the white bolt. So looking at Scout 2, I immediately notice that Mr. Bullock was right the last time he saw this. I've got the wrong landing gear. Someone has inserted a rather neat little black wheel. No matter, it works, and until I can get a genuine set, it'll do for me. So I'm just going to take out the two flathead screws that are in the base of all the Scouts, and hopefully I won't tip this one up before I've actually looked at the trigger. So we've also got the wings to contend with, the retractable wings, so this may be more difficult, but it isn't. There we have it. There's Scout 2. Got the little engine that comes off. Neat little black plastic. Beautiful little friction drive. Again, incredibly simple. God, it's looking like a Scout graveyard. Now the retractable wings are interesting. Dead simple. I bet they just pull out, but I'm not going to pull them out because I don't need to, but they look like they're just slotted into some Now in here we have another spring mechanism. Mine's a spring, and this again looks different to Scout 1. It looks exactly the same as Scout 3, so let's just have a look. Now I'm looking at them again with fresh eyes, and I can tell that indeed there is something snapped off. What's snapped off is this little top tine, which I think is probably the actual trigger that sticks out below the undercarriage. So now, after all that, I have two trigger mechanisms without the triggers, and also without the springs. Springs, I'm pretty sure, are not a problem. I've got loads of pens. Triggers are a bit more of an issue. I'll get back to you on this one.